Hello, and welcome to my Rita William Garcia author study PowerPoint presentation. Presented by me, Tyler Stevens, for spring 2021. Rita Williams Garcia, General Information and Career. So, Rita Williams Garcia was born April 13th, 1957. She is currently 63 years old. She was born in Queens, New York. She moved frequently because her father was in the Army, so her and her two sisters moved around to places like Arizona, Virginia, California, and then eventually she moved back to New York. She attended Hofstra University. When she first attended here, she paused her writing career to pursue economics and do performing arts. She obtained her bachelor's degree in liberal arts in 1980s, and then she married Peter Garcia and had two daughters, Michelle and Stephanie. She worked for a marketing company in Manhattan, New York, and pretty much did the mail and made prints and everything for them. She taught for many years at Vermont College of Fine Arts, and Williams Garcia has published over 10 books for children and young adults, her first one being Blue Tights in 1988. A fun fact about Williams Garcia is that her first book was not published until 8 years after it was finished. Williams Garcia sent the book out to countless amounts of publishers, but it was always sent back because the story behind her book seemed to be something that caused controversy at a lot of the publishing manufacturers. After her second daughter was born, a publishing label finally published Williams Garcia's books, and her writing career took off after that. So some of Rita Williams Garcia's accomplishments is that she has won the Coretta Scott King Award in 2011 and 2016. She won the National Book Award finalist for 2010 and 2011. She won the Newbery Honor Book Award in 2011. She won the Junior Library Guild Award in 2013, the Scott Odell Prize for Historical Fiction in 2011, and the Bank Street College Best Children's Book of the Year in 2001. So some of the literature material that Rita Williams Garcia has created is Blue Tights. This is about a young girl named Joyce who aspires to be a dancer, and one day while she is in ballet class, the teacher tells her that she does not have an appealing enough body to do so. Joyce then joins the African dancing group and follows her dreams as her world begins to change around her, and she begins to seek attention from the wrong crowd, being that her mother was absent through most of her childhood. This teaches students the importance of self-love. The next book is Jumped, and in this book there are three main characters, Trina, Dominique, and Letitia, and they're all part of a story that portrays the actions of the choices in which you make in life. One of these choices is a fight that all three of the girls knew about, which left one of them, Trina, in the hospital. After Trina is in the hospital, the girls get to thinking about their decisions and their actions, even though they knew about the fight. This won a National Book Award finalist award for Rita Williams Garcia. The next book is Catching the Wild Wazoo, or Wayuzi. I think that's how you pronounce it. So this book is fun for all children. It's about a little girl who is about to get her hair did in African heritage, but she likes to make a game out of it, and she runs around and pretends that she is a wild Wayuzi in the jungle. So her mother plays along, and she wants her mother to catch her before rubbing her hair in oil and braiding it and putting beads in it. This won the Bank Street College Best Children's Book of the Year award. The next book is One Crazy Summer, and this book has a variety of characters that some children may be able to relate to, but as the story progresses, a love for a absent mother grows as her children soon realize what their mother has been doing with her life and what she has been fighting for. So, after their mother is taken into custody, they begin to partake in activities that their mother once did, and once their mother returns home, she sees what a great job that they have done. And then the children have to leave to go back to their grandmothers. I think this would be a good book to teach children about rekindling friendships, and that sometimes you don't know what is going on until you are able to understand it. This won the Coretta Scott King Award and the Newbery Honor Book Award. So here is the reference list that I used. And then here is a book list of the Rita Williams Garcia books that have been written. So A Sitting in St. James, Clayton Bird Goes Underground, Bottle Cap Boys, Gone Crazy in Alabama, P.S. B11, One Crazy Summer, Jumped, No Laughter Here, Every Time a Rainbow Dies, Catching the Wild by Uzi, Like Sisters on the Home Front, Fast Talk on a Slow Track, and Blue Tights.